Sabina Park. This ground helped to make me. At 14, I dreamt of playing here. Battled here.
He's hoisted that away. That's a typical Wavellheim shot we saw.
Played as part of Team West Indies here. But if I were 14 today, that boy wouldn't play 45 tests or win the Champions Trophy. He wouldn't even wear maroon. Why? Because Jamaica gave up on cricket. We did not even bid for the T20 World Cup in 2024. The current government forced the Talawas to leave. Absolutely no support. Gone to Antigua. Look at this place. Silence. No noise, no matches, no drinks. How can kids fall in love with cricket, lovely cricket, when they have never seen it, never lived it? Cricket was a key part of Jamaica's sporting soul. And now, we're leaving it to die. No investment, no vision, no action. This pitch, these stands, they're not just grass and concrete, not just bright lights, they're a part of our pride. Like so many other key areas of our country, they will cut a ribbon, shake a hand, and smile for the camera. Where is the action? Once the lights and cameras are off, Jamaica deserves better. Our present and future athletes deserve better.
People know this, feel the betrayal.